One of the questions recently asked was, what is a knock sensor? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, a knock sensor or detonation sensor is used on many vehicles. What is one? Well, this is one. But what they do is, inside your engine is a lot of moving parts. One of those parts is pistons going up and down. And if we happen to ignite the fuel just a little too soon, that piston rocks back and forth and it makes a knocking sound or detonation, or what we might also call as pinging. And so what a knock sensor actually is it's called a piezoelectric device. These are also used for like events where you have like discos and you have the beat of the music playing with the lights. And so what these do is when they sense a vibration, such as that piston rattling in the engine, or knock, then that's when they generate electricity. So what we actually do to test them is we'll put one in a vise like this, we'll hook up a scope to it, and then we will create a knocking sound, and we'll see what kind of voltage this thing produces. That tells the computer that, hey, we have a ping, detonation, knock, whatever you want to call it, and then it adjusts things like timing and fuel to compensate for that so we don't do any engine damage. I hope this has been informational for you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.